Welcome to my channel. Today I am collabing with Wignee hair. They sent me this bomb closure wig and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all everything that I did to get this look. Very easy, very simple, very quick install, y'all. Yes, this is like my second or third time working with this company. They never disappoint. So let's get right into this video.
know that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Wignee hair. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything, as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase. Like, sis, look at the hair. Like, it's just bomb as fuck, literally bomb as fuck. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time, don't forget to go shop at Wignee hair. Also, you can use my discount code, as I said before, sis, to get money off. Let them know that I did send you. And I will see y'all in my next video.